on day 2 of microsite, which is raveclubs.com/ISE.
Do a quick booth tour, and if you're interested, Hey, this is Gary Kay. We are in a big booth here. We're in Planar's booth. Planar's famous for showing big products, and I'm here with Robert Detweiler, who's the Senior Director of Product Management. And we're all about LED right now, but we're going to show you an LCD product as well. You're showing kind of what you can do with LED here.
We're trying to be creative in some of our displays, and then we're trying to be large in other displays.
Yeah.
Some new technology innovations. Right behind us, right above us, we have our current rental and staging type product that can flex in different ways.
Yeah.
And then behind us, we're really showing off some creative things that we can do custom. This rotating towers.
Yeah, and the floor.
The floor. The floor is something that's on our roadmap all the time. Yeah. The tower's kind of a custom application.
Yeah. It's a neat. That's one thing that's neat about LED is you can kind of do anything you want. You're not stuck in the rectangle like we are with all the other technologies. But speaking of big rectangles, this is impressive. You got an 8K display here.
8K display. I think the measurement's somewhere in the neighborhood of 324 inches diagonal.
Wow.
Yeah.
I need one of these on the side of my house, not on the inside, but the side of my house.
So this is our Direct Light Essential product, and it's really kind of sitting in the middle tier of our COB line.
Yeah.
It's sitting in the middle tier of our COB line, and why I say that is because we've incorporated our processing. We have that as available as a thing, but we also incorporated COB LED sorting, so we get better uniformity, better performance.
Yeah, this is where you're being more selective in the component choice.
In the LED dyes themselves, we're able to light them up on the wafer and test the colors and test the brightness.
Yeah. So you're getting a product that's going to have much higher performance over a longer period of time, which is the big thing that you're pushing with this. And this is native 8K, what you're showing here, right?
This is.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And what I'm going to do is we're going to give you a quick tour of the entire booth, but of course we're going to shoot individual product videos here, so you can go to ravepubs.com/ISE and type in Planar in the video search window and see all these individual products. Obviously this is always impressive when you come into the Planar booth and see something big like this, but the Komodo series is the newest product you introduced a few months ago. If we can walk around here and have Abby follow us. And it's your high-end chip-on-board technology, right?
This is our premium COB technology. And when I say premium, we're doing that for a few different ways. We spent time really taking the LEDs and the cabinet form factor and making sure that we can hit HD, 8K, all the normal resolutions, but we wanted to make sure we could hit 5K as well.
Yeah, this is 5K resolution, 0.7 millimeter pixel pitch. It's hard to tell when you're looking on video, but it looks phenomenal. Your content is actually, it always helps when you have really good content when you actually think that out.
It's some of the content, most videos, it's really hard. Some of the gradients,
especially when you're moving like that quickly. But this is the Komodo series.
This is our Komodo.
And is it shipping yet?
It is absolutely shipping. We've shipped it to a few customers already. We started shipping last year. This is available in a 09 and a 07 and a 12 as well.
Okay. Yeah. And one of the things that caught my eye was this. This is the biggest 21:9 I've seen, which is 105 inches. This is going to be big because this now you're getting in the realm of literally replacing projection with something more affordable.
Projection and a new use model of wide.
You have widescreen. Yeah. You're not only replacing projection, but you're also getting that larger digital canvas.
Mm-hmm. And I'll say that we built this to really be available to corporate users and schools and things of that nature. Having real estate that's wide so you can see it a lot better. Your eyes kind of work on the wide perimeter better than the up and down. But we also are going to have touch models, and we are really striving to have the video performance that could go into somebody's house. Like we're going to have 2200 peak brightness. We're going to potentially have HDR 1400.
And what are you doing different on your video processing than what you currently have?
Well, it's just a matter of using some of the latest components to be able to do all that stuff.
Okay.
We're doing custom firmware with many more points of local dimming in this, and so we're going to put a lot of technology into making sure this is some of the best performing, and we're going to have it in 3 sizes too.
Yeah, I was going to say 105, what else, 94?
94 and 81.
And when will this be available?
Probably in the second half, in Q3.
Okay, good. Congratulations on that. Of course, that would be 5120 by 2160 resolution.
Correct.
5120 by 2160, if I get that right. 5K resolution, which is it's very impressive. Yeah, I like this. All right, so where are we heading next?
We're gonna show you a new LED technology that we're working on.
We're in a actual using a booth that's actually open right now, so we have a lot of people in here. And it looks like, I mean, what I see here is you're comparing a new technology you're calling MIP technology.
Right, that's exactly right. We have MIP at top, that's the big display.
Right.
This is new proprietary from us, proprietary design and manufacturing. And then old SMD down below. I say old, but it was one of our best-selling products for many, many, many years.
And a lot of manufacturers still use SMD, obviously. And so, tell me what's different about MIP and why is it what's going to be so much better about it.
Well, first of all, it's miniaturization of the pixel die and the package, right? So the die that we have in this package is going to be 40 by 30 microns, almost as small as the human cell.
Wow.
Yeah. And so we're miniaturizing that package quite a bit, and it's still achieving all the efficiencies that you would find in today's technologies. So we can get down to lower and lower pixel pitches. I think we have the capability of doing 0.4 here.
Yeah, this is 0.6 now, and what's interesting about it is that when compared to the chip on board technology, or SMD technology, I should say, a lot less heat dissipation. That's one thing you notice coming off it. So you're actually you're getting more pixels and you're getting a brighter image, but you're also getting less heat.
Yes,
and that's
absolutely.
Because of what, efficiencies?
It is due to efficiencies in the LEDs, but it's also due to some of the proprietary things that we're doing to eliminate some components in the package, in the production. So we're going substrate free, so by eliminating some of those things, we're also able to make the LEDs closer to the surface, more efficient. We're able to push them closer together, which means that the LED dies themselves will appear more like one, so you have great viewing angles. But the substrate free and the efficiencies in the LED is heat. Absolutely.
Yeah, technically, when you look at human perception, this is higher resolution than LCD. When you look at direct view LCD, 0.6 millimeter, because I've always been taught 0.65 is about the equivalent pixel pitch that your eyes perceive a LCD to be. In other words, once you get to below 0.6, you're now, or 0.6 or below, you're now, the human eye can't see the difference between that and an LCD.
That's great to know. I'll pitch that.
I was taught that by SID and also Joe Kane originally. I don't know if you know him, but he was a kind of a video guru in those days. This is well before LED had that capability of being that pixel pitch.
Right.
Because I remember someone asking the question 20 years ago, at what point do they become competitive resolution-wise? And he said, it has to be below 0.67 millimeters.
Okay.
So you're now at 0.6, and you're saying you can go even...
The technology will let us go down to 0.4, I think, as of right now.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And so we'll see this, when will we start seeing
We're going to start seeing this probably at InfoComm available. We think we'll launch it about that time.
So this is a technology demo now. Of course, we're going to shoot individual product videos, as I said, each one of these stations. So go to raypubs.com/ISE, type in Planar in the video search window. Of course, you can always go to planar.com and see all the products that they have here. Robert, thank you very much for doing this. Really appreciate it.
Great seeing you.
Congratulations on everything, and we got a lot more ISE 2026 to cover, so check it all out.